I will say it's right on time, right what we were talking about, folks. As you head outside, we're going to continue to see some snow across the region. And also, Aaron, I've had quite a few viewers message me and they say they love your energy. You're making everyone else just as excited about this snow moving in. We're like, snow. All right, here's McMinn County where we are seeing some flurries fall as well. Send your photos. I promise you, we are going to use them on air. We love getting a glimpse as to what it looks like across your area. And then into downtown Knoxville. We don't have any snow here just yet, but we were mentioning that this was going to be more so of a mid-morning and into the early part of the afternoon. So we just have to wait. Patience is the word, folks. And look at this. I mean, we have temperatures into the 20s, but dew points still into the teens. So we still have this pocket of dry air that's really keeping us from seeing a lot of this snow hitting the surface. If you want to see snow, you're going to have to drive out west, apparently right now, where we're starting to see this atmosphere saturate, or down south, where we have had in parts of Chattanooga, close to over an inch of snow. It's accumulating quickly. It's making travel rather tough. And guess what? This is going to be pushing into our area. So I know satellite and radar probably makes you sad when you look at this, because you're like, it's showing snow. Why? Why is it not hitting us? Well, as soon as the atmosphere, because you have to think, we have this big tall profile of the atmosphere, as soon as it saturates from top to bottom and we have this cold air in place, we will see snow. It's going to magically happen, folks, and I promise you it will happen as the day moves forward. We have a winter storm warning in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning for all areas shaded in pink. A wind advisory that's in effect from 1 until 9 o'clock tonight. This is where I have just a few little concerns, because you notice this wind advisory is for winds coming out of the south. What draws in warmer air? Winds coming out of the south. And remember, I mentioned it yesterday, some of our models were hinting at the possibility of seeing a little bit of a wintry mix. Models are still hinting at that as we go into the afternoon hours, especially for areas south of I-40. I get a little nervous when I see it going north of I-40. I'm like, okay, we don't want that. We don't want a widespread mess across the region, but I'm not going to take it out of credit. So this is a possibility. It's something we're going to continue to watch as we go into the evening hours, or this could just be one specific model run getting really excited. Other models don't show quite that much of a wintry mix. So fingers crossed, folks. Hopefully our temperature profile can stay cold enough to where all of our moisture is going to be coming in as snow. Now, as we go into the weekend, we're going to continue to see the possibility for melting and refreezing. This is going to be an issue all the way into the early part of next week. We'll watch snow. Stick around as we go throughout the start of the day. There is the chance for a little bit of freezing rain into the far southern valley, and then this will carry on even as we get into the early hours of your Saturday. By tomorrow morning, folks, things are going to be so much quieter. We're not going to be talking about falling precipitation, but the concern more so is going to be the chance for some roads being impacted, which I'm sure if many of you have lived here long enough, you know what I'm talking about. Roads are going to be tough for a couple of days. Back roads, secondary roads, going to be an issue perhaps even into the early part of next week. We'll have much more in your forecast in just a little bit, and hopefully, ladies, by that point, we'll have Aaron making snowballs. We'll have more snow pictures coming in. We just can't wait.